Good morning, Joel. I'm going to try to show you, this is a 20 bird fly and how they score. This is the fly that I had on Saturday. So if you'll notice right here, it says that the kit size, there was 20 birds in the kit. Of course, here it's got my name, it's got the date, and of course he didn't put the time, but the weather condition was 65 degrees and it was overcast. So it was overcast, the weather was. So this scoring that he puts in this block right here is each 5 minutes. We fly for 20 minutes. So they put a line. In the first 5 minutes, I scored a 5 bird break, another 5 bird break, and then an 8 bird break, and that was the first 5 minutes. In the second 5 minutes, I didn't score a break, so I didn't get a score. In the third 5 minute period, I had 1 break, and there was a 9 bird break. And then in the last period, last 5 minute period, I scored 5. So if you total up those points, that's a total score of birds going from 5 to 9 birds going at one time, times 1 equals 32. So if you add those up, it's 32. Then, in addition to that, if I had had 10 to 14 birds going, spinning at the same time, I would have multiplied whatever that number was by 2. And of course, 15 to 19, you'd multiply it by 3. And if you had a full 20 bird break, you'd multiply it times 5. So in one break, if all 20 went, that would be 20 points times 5. So I'd get 100 points. So, 125 points. So over here, now down here, if you look here, it says bonus factors for quality and bonus factors for depth. You can get a bonus factor from 1 to 2 for quality, and you could also get a depth factor up to 2 for either 1 to 2. So on quality, my kit scored 1.5, and that means how tight they were, how fast they were. And then on depth, overall, my birds, I scored a 1.3, which is not bad. So if you multiply 1.5 and 1.3, you get 1.95. So if you come down here at the bottom, if I'd have had any 10 bird breaks, any 15 bird breaks, or 20 bird breaks, you'd total all those points up, and you take that total points times the multiplying factor, the bonus factor, which is 1.95. Well, if you do that with 32 times 1.95, I had a total score of 62.4 for my fly. And he said it was windy. The kit handled the wind well, nice quality, smooth, fast rollers. So that is a 20 bird fly.